How to open a WhatsApp business account. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps and how you can open a WhatsApp business account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to open a WhatsApp business account, you want to first download the WhatsApp business application from the Play Store or App Store that you'll be able to get easily. Then you want to go ahead and open up the app, right? Once you have opened up, you should get an interface somewhat like this. Simply tap on agree and continue and head over to the next page. Now, if you already have a personal account logged in, any WhatsApp account logged in, then it'll ask you whether you wish to use that particular number and switch to business account on here. So if you want to switch your personal account that you're already using to your business account, you can tap on use that particular number, or you can tap on use a different number here and then enter in your number, select the country or country code and then enter in the number, tap on next and go through the prompts. It'll ask you to enter in certain details as you choose the business account. You'll have to enter those prompts and you can open the account easily. This is how you can easily open a WhatsApp business account. Hope this video was helpful. Do like, subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments as well.